lost him.
No! Oh, we lost him. Oh! Welcome to Unreel Life. Today we're here in Vancouver, I think on your area 28, 29. Kind of a cloudy day, but I'm here with my dad who's recording and my brother-in-law Derek. We're just setting down some crab traps. So Derek, how deep do these crab traps go?
100 feet of line on them, dropping them about 70 feet of line.
100 feet of line, dropping them down, they go down about 70 feet. So what we're doing today is we're marking all the crab traps here. You can see all the different waypoints. And after we're done salmon fishing, we head back and hit all these waypoints to pick up the crab traps. Right over there. Now, I don't know how interesting the show will be today because as of midnight last night, you're not allowed to keep any chinook. So today's episode is catch and release only. So hopefully we get into some fish today. Dad here with a little guy. Oh, did he fall off? Oh no, he's still on there. Good. Oh no. It's not going to film the rest of that one. We had kind of a rough start to the morning, so we have caught what, 4, 5? 5 fish? They weren't that big. You drag good?
You want this ramp?
Oh, go ahead.
Derek? Oh, that's yours, bud.
All you, man.
I lost him.
No! Oh, we lost them. Oh! Here, I'll hold it, I'll hold it, I'll hold it. What were we looking at then? The other rod? Wow. Nice.
Nice fish. Catch and release, Jay. Wow, he just stopped. He just started coming right to the boat. There was no tug in there for a while.
So that there was on the pink hoochie. The flasher set up with the, green hoochie.
Nice. What's that, 8 or 9?
That's number 8 or 9. We lost count, but let's get into it. So while we have a moment that we're turning the boat, I thought I'd ask Derek. So Derek, this area, kind of at the mouth of the Fraser here, why is this so good for chinook at this time of year?
Right now is weather's starting to warm up in mid-April. The algae bloom's just starting, so got that dirty water coming out of the fraser. Provides good cover for the bait fish. So the bait fish are just underneath that dirty water in the fraser. They're feeding, but they're congregating in the area, so that brings the chinook in to feed on the bait.
So they're bulking up before they go up the river to spawn later in the year.
This is their main feeding time. So we're in April here. Come August, September, these fish will be going upriver. So this is when they're building all their mass, eating heavily. A lot of the time you can open a fish you catch, open it up right now, and there'll be 6, 7 herring inside. So.
Wow. We're just making a turn here, going back to a shelf where we seem to be getting fish. We'll be back with fish on. So we had transition from low tide or high tide to slack tide, and now we're on them. Quite the period of nothing. And this isn't an overall big fish, but he's fighting pretty good. Wow. Or, no. Like you said, hey Derek, they're kind of scrappy this time of year. Rod one.
We'll have a good one.
Looks like a good fish the way it hit. That's a quick release there. Hey, it happens. They slip. Barbless hooks though. Get on nice and easy. On the board with number, what was that? 10? 14? I lost count. So we're packing up now. It's the wind's picking up, getting a little crazy. You can see here. Might not look as bad on the camera, but it's getting pretty choppy and windy here. You can't feel it from the comfort of your own home. Maybe you can hear it though. Anyway, let's go check those traps. Hand bombed the first crab trap up. Let's go check the other one. Here we go, third and final crab trap. Now we're going to see the method of how you keep them, how you measure them,
and then how you put them back into the wild to get bigger for next time.
So, how about that? So we put them bucket. Two keepers.
And
Because you can't keep the females. That's a female, right?
oh, okay, yep.
Nope. We have an escapee. Did you measure this one already?
Yeah.
On his back.
Seal's back.
Hey, bud.
Oh, there's a starfish.
So when we look at the measurement here, they got to be within the limit there. As you can see, Canada 165. Where are you there? There we are. Between this line and the Canada 165.
Oh yeah, this has got the most.
And males only, because if they're females, we got to automatically throw them back in the bucket. He's gonna be good.
Eating well for Easter.
Oh, it's good. It's good.
Double check those out.
That's gonna wrap up today's episode here in beautiful Vancouver, BC.